Welcome back to WebUI. Today, we will diving into a question many businesses owner face. How do you choose the right design service for your business? Step 1 is understanding your needs. Are you just staring out in new of a custom logo? Or maybe website feels outdated and you're looking for a complete redesign? You need to get clear on what you want to achieve before you start looking for the right services. And think about your business goals and how designs plays a role in that. For example, if you are launching a new product, a user-friendly website with a strong UI UX design is crucial, but if you're building a brand identity from the scratch, your focus might be more creating a unique logo and visual designs. Next, research your option. Do you need a freelancer, a designer agency, or something in between? At WebUI, we offer personalized approach. We will work closely with clients to ensure their designs align perfectly with their brand vision. And you check portfolios reviews before making a decision. It is important to find a designer or agency that not has the skills but also understand your industry and audience. Sure where to start, feel free to reach out to WebUI. We're happy to guide you through the process and ensure you get exactly what you need.